Hey, what's up guys? So, as you guys know, I got a bike. It's a 2003 GSX-R1000. I actually recorded all of this yesterday, but my dumbass got a virus on my computer because I was super tired after a long day, and it's technically my second day of riding. Yesterday I only rode about for 50 to 60 minutes, I would say, around my local block, just practicing starting, going. Then I went to a parking lot where I could go up to like third gear, and I just practiced going up through gears. I practiced shifting without a clutch, and then I practiced downshifting and braking and sudden braking. So today I hopefully will be able to ride a little bit longer. As you can see, fully geared up, everything. I have gloves, and yeah, I actually installed mirrors. Obviously you guys don't know, but yesterday I didn't have mirrors because that's how I got the bike. I used some cheap $15 Amazon mirrors. They look really awkward because these are motocross MX bars with a riser kit, just to kind of make it so that when you ride you have a straighter back instead of like when you're super leaned over. It's just more of a comfort thing. I don't know if I'll like it or not. I have no idea how a super sport feels. So technically I've never ridden. I had some big fears yesterday. Right now I'm not as nervous. I'm still nervous and it's a scary feeling, but I was really nervous yesterday because the whole thing people made about starting on a leader bike or like a 750 or super sport bikes is the fact that the throttle, the brakes, the clutch is super touchy, and that's what I was afraid of, because it's like if you hit a bump or you make a mistake, you're going to accidentally yeet. But I didn't really find it to be like that, actually. I found the throttle to be a little bit lacking and the clutch to be pretty easy to pick up and everything like that. Once again, I can't really say much because I've only gone up to 30 miles an hour. But so far it's been pretty good. I obviously understand how a car works, so that helps me a lot with the whole clutch thing and figuring out how the bike works. You know, it's not like I'm just like a straight up never even driven a manual car before. It's the same concept, I guess. You can always slip the clutch. I guess most people, they think, oh, once you're slipping the clutch you have to let go of it as soon as possible, where, you know, the bike starts to go more. But with this, you have to keep in mind that you can always keep slipping it, basically. So I don't really know what else to say. This thing is loud. It's not registered, which I was driving around yesterday. I do have the title to prove that I own it, so it's not stolen. I'm only staying within 0.3 miles of my house. I have it insured by Geico. Hopefully if a cop pulls me over, he understands I'm just trying to learn. I would have registered this bike, but it's a salvage title because it was hit by a drunk driver and it was kind of repaired. As you can see, it's a fully naked bike. It has like some shitty aftermarket headlight that's like zip tied on. It does not do anything at night at all. It's literally my iPhone flashlight would be better as a light. But once again, just sticking to daytime riding, of course, for now. Because I'm going to go somewhere. I should probably get the keys for the bike. Oh. Why? I guess the clutch wasn't all the way down. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. Go into the sunset. Well, yeah, having these mirrors is really nice. I upshifted. I kind of understand the point of counter steering and how it works already. I know a lot of people have issues with that. Once again, I haven't gone around a corner like full speed or anything, but I can imagine how it does work. So basically what I'm understanding from the whole counter steering thing is well, I've ridden a bicycle for like 5-6 years of my life, and it seems to be exactly the same thing when it comes to steering. Nothing else is the same, but I mean, the other stuff is similar. These mirrors are nice, but like I can't see behind me, like a rear view mirror in a car. I can see to my left and to my right, which is what matters, because, you know, obviously I have to be able to see other crap.
why I keep switching up to second, but I just feel bad being this loud. It's insane because I think I've only gone up to like 4K RPM on this thing. It's crazy because I know, like, what is it? I think it's like first gear. First gear can go like insanely to a high speed, like of 70 or 80 miles an hour. Also, by the way, I mentioned in the last video, of course, that you guys never saw, but the rear sprocket is actually up 2 teeth, which means it has a little bit more torque, which is definitely not a good thing for me. Trying to not to death grip the handlebars either, because I know that's a big thing. I think I just crossed the street, so I think I'm gonna go left. Let's see if I can. Nope, failed. I was gonna see if I can keep rolling at first, but this clutch is weird, like I said, because all the grab in this clutch is at the absolute end, like the last couple of percentages or something like that. So